Polymorphism explained. Beginner level. Introduction. In object-oriented programming, OOP, programs are built using classes and objects. To make programs flexible and reusable, programmers use several important principles. One of these principles is polymorphism. Polymorphism allows different objects to respond to the same method in different ways. It is one of the four main principles of object-oriented programming: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. Polymorphism makes programs more flexible, reusable, and easier to extend. What is polymorphism? The word polymorphism comes from two Greek words. Poly equals many, morphism equals forms. So the meaning is, polymorphism equals many forms. In programming, it means the same method name can behave differently depending on the object that calls it. Simple example. Consider different animals making sounds. Dog means bark, cat means meow, cow means moo. All animals make a sound, but each animal makes a different sound. In programming, method name, sound, different behavior depending on the object. Example without polymorphism. Without polymorphism, we may write separate functions. Example, def dog underscore sound, print, dog barks. Def cat underscore sound, print, cat meows. Def cow underscore sound, print, cow moos. Problem. Every new animal requires a new function. This is not scalable. Example with polymorphism. Using polymorphism, we can use one method name for all animals. Example, class animal, def sound, self, print, animals make sounds. Class dog, animal, def sound, self, print, dog barks. Class cat, animal, def sound, self, print, cat meows. Class cow, animal, def sound, self, print, cow moos. Animals equals dog, cat, cow. For animal in animals, animal, sound, output, dog barks, cat meows, cow moos. Explanation. Each object uses the same method name sound, but produces different results. This is polymorphism. Types of polymorphism. There are two common types of polymorphism. 1. Compile time polymorphism, also called method overloading. This occurs when multiple methods have the same name but different parameters. Example concept: add A, B, add A, B, C. Python does not support traditional method overloading like Java, but similar behavior can be achieved using default parameters. Example, def add A, B, C equals O. Return A plus B plus C. Print, add 2, 3. Print, add 2, 3, 4. Output, 5, 9, 2. Runtime polymorphism, also called method overriding. This happens when a child class provides its own implementation of a method defined in the parent class. Example, class shape, def draw, self, print, drawing a shape, class circle, shape, def draw, self, print, drawing a circle, class square, shape, def draw, self, print, drawing a square. Usage, shapes equals, circle, square. For shape in shapes, shape, draw, output, drawing a circle, drawing a square. Each object behaves differently. Real-life analogy. Think about the word drive. You drive a car. You drive a motorcycle. You drive a truck. The word drive is the same, but the behavior changes depending on the vehicle. Similarly in programming, same method means different behavior. Advantages of polymorphism. Checkmark makes code flexible. Checkmark reduces complexity. Checkmark improves code reusability. Checkmark makes programs easier to extend. Checkmark allows one interface for different objects. Polymorphism helps developers write cleaner and more scalable code. Disadvantages. Cross-mark can sometimes make code harder to understand for beginners. Cross-mark requires understanding of inheritance and method overriding. However, it is essential for large software systems. Where polymorphism is used. Polymorphism is widely used in modern software systems. Examples: game development, GUI frameworks, web applications, payment systems, operating systems. Example classes: shape means circle, square, triangle. Vehicle means car, bike, truck. Employee means manager, developer. Each object behaves differently while sharing the same interface. Simple definition: polymorphism, the ability of different objects to respond to the same method in different ways. Final summary: polymorphism allows programmers to checkmark use one method name for multiple behaviors. Checkmark write flexible and reusable code. Checkmark extend programs easily. Checkmark handle different object types using the same interface. Without polymorphism, programs become rigid and repetitive. With polymorphism, programs become flexible, powerful, and scalable.